Okay, there's our baby boy. There he is, and he's got the hiccups. Yes, he does. We're going to get rid of him. Right? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, oh goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, that poor baby boy. Yeah. He's a good boy. Yeah. He's a good little man. Yeah. Yeah. He's a good boy. I'm going to send this one to Aunt Natalie because he's hiccup up. He's a cute little hiccup boy. Poor baby. Alright, then Mommy pick you up. Then Mommy pick you up. Oh, we got something else going on? that noise in the background.
I was waiting for you to mention it.
Yeah. Mommy's pumping out the mommy juice for that boy. Yep. And what is that, Mommy? He's a beautiful little man. There he is. He's the cutest little guy in the world. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to pick him up. I'm going to have to pick him up better. Because hiccups are no fun. Oh, what else are we doing? What else are we doing? We got a little gassy smile? Yeah? Well, let's try to get rid of those hiccups.